remember we have been discussed what we call proper noun, and today inshallah our new topic is what we call common noun. So when we say common noun, what common noun is all about in English language? When we say common noun, are names given in common to every person, place, or thing of the same kind. I hope you understand this. That is the name given in common to every person, place, or things of the same kind. I hope you understand this. If some things or persons are all in the same kind or the same class, so the names given to them is what we call common noun. Example. The example that we are going to give here is about the person. When we say common in given, common name given in to the person, that is mother. When you say mother, in Nigerian English we used to say mother. In England English we used to say mother. In American English, also in Ghana English, wherever the speakers of English language are living, they have no way to call mother but the word mother. That means mother is a common name given to. I hope you understand it. Mother is a common name because all over the world, this is the way that they are calling it. When we say man, in Nigerian English we used to say man. In American English they used to say man. In England English they used to say man. And also wherever English speakers are living, I used to say what man. So this is what we call common name because it is name given in common to that person. When we say boy, when we say women, when we say girls, all these names that we have been mentioned here are what are all names in common given to the person, father and the others. I hope you understand, because wherever speakers of English language are speaking English, so this is the way they are calling persons. I hope you understand this. So when we say the example of places, the example of places, that is common name given to a places like schools. Like schools. When you say schools, in Nigerian English we used to say schools. In American English also they used to say schools. In English, in England English also they used to say schools. Wherever the speakers of English language are living, what are they called? School. That is school. I hope you understand. So it is a name given in common to that place. Like a hospital. Hospital is all over the world. This is how English language call it. Hospital. So here in Nigeria we used to say hospital. If you take an example, Sokoto State English we used to say hospital. Kaduna English they used to say hospital. Kano English they used to say hospital. So when you go to abroad like America, Germany, European countries, wherever speakers of English language are living, so they have no way to call it, is what that is what we call school. I hope you understand this. So schools, hospitals are all names given in common to every place. I hope you understand this. When you take example of things like a book, when you say books, books is a books. Wherever you go in English language, they have no way to call it but books. Like a tree. We used to say tree here in Nigeria. They used to say tree there in America. They used to say tree there in England, there in Germany. They used to say what? They used to say tree. So this is what we call name given in common to every person, to every place, and things of what of the same kind. Like a key, like a bag. I hope you understand this. Bag, key, and the others are all name given in common to that things. I hope you understand this. So this is what we call common noun in English language. Let's back to Hausa. When we say common noun, kai tsaye Bahaushe abin da yake cewa common noun shine suna gama gari, wato sunan da game gari. Sunan da a ko ina haka ake kiran shi. To wannan shine ake cewa common noun a harshen Hausa, shine suna gama gari. Menene ma'anar suna gama gari? Sunaye ne waɗanda ake baiwa dukkanin mutane, wurare ko wasu abubuwa waɗanda sun ka shahi halittar su ɗaya ce, su iri ɗaya ne. Ina misali, yanzu idan muka ɗauki mutum, muka ce the example of person. So misalin mutum, sunan da aka ba mutum wanda zaka ko ina in ka zo shine, yanzu idan ka ce namiji, a Hausa Kano zaka ji an ce namiji, a Hausa Sokoto namiji, in America ka je yan ana Hausa zaka ji sun ce namiji, ba su da wani suna da za su laƙaba wa namiji bayan namiji. That is man. Kamar mace shine sunanta na ne gama gari, duk inda an ka zo ita mace ce kamar yaro. Duk inda an ka je yaro ne, duk inda aka Hausa duniya idan ka je zaka tarar da yaro ne. It's a name given in common to every person. Kamar yarinya, kamar uwa, kamar uba, duk inda ka je waɗannan sunayen su ne ake ce ma suna gama gari. Idan muka ɗauki asalin abinda muke ce ma wurare kamar asibiti, duk inda ka je inda ake Hausa ba su da wani suna da suke mata bayan mai asibiti. A Hausa Sokoto, a Hausa Kano, a Hausa Kaduna, a Hausa ko'ina, in ma Amerika ake Hausa ko'ina, idan za a yi magana da harshen Hausa me za a cewa asibiti. Is a name given to a place. Kamar makaranta, kamar kasuwa, duk ire-iren waɗannan duk inda ka je inda ake Hausa ba su da wani suna da suke musu ba. So as the example that we have given, when we say common name given to an animal, most of our animals are all common nouns, because when we take an example here, like dog, like goat, like donkeys, monkeys, and others animals that you see, the way we call it here in the African continent or the European continent, this is how they used to call it. So in Nigerian English, we used to say dog, monkey, donkey. When you go to America, England, Germany, and the others, this is how they used to call that kind of animals. So most of the animals are all common noun. I hope you understand this. So here we are going to stop. Inshallah, next week or after 2 days, inshallah, we will deliver another topic which we used to call abstract noun, by God's grace. See you later.